Welcome to this tutorial, where we will calculate the volume of a cylinder using JavaScript. This shape comes up a lot in geometry, architecture, and even science simulations. We'll use the formula involving pi, radius, and height. We'll also build in validation checks to handle incorrect inputs gracefully. Let's get started. To calculate the volume of a cylinder, we first use the formula pi times the square of the radius times the height. We build a function that takes in a radius and a height, checks if the values are valid numbers, and then returns the correct volume. Let's dive into the code. Here we define the volume cylinder function. It first calls its number for both radius and height to ensure both inputs are valid. The actual volume is calculated using math pi times radius squared times height. If the input is a string or negative, the helper function throws an error. It is a clean approach that avoids unexpected bugs from invalid data. Here's how the function works step by step. It starts with validating inputs using a helper function. If everything checks out, the formula is then applied to compute the volume. If not, it throws an appropriate error to inform the user what went wrong. Let's look at some example outputs. Let's analyze three test cases. When both inputs are valid numbers, we get a correct volume of about 62.83. If the radius is passed as a string, we get a type error. And if the height is negative, we get a positive value error. This helps ensure our function is both accurate and safe. Cylinder volume calculations are useful in many fields. Engineers use it to determine tank capacities, manufacturers use it in packaging, and educators teach it in geometry classes. Learning how to automate this with JavaScript gives you a practical edge. To sum up, we built safe and accurate functions to calculate the volume of a cylinder. We've also validated inputs, used the proper formula, and threw helpful errors when needed. It's a great blend of math and code, and is very relevant in real-world applications. Thanks for watching. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more JavaScript tutorials. I'll see you in the next one.